have ones and we have tens when we're talking about place value. We're going to break down numbers using our number blocks. So our first number is 15. That means we have one 10 block and 5 ones, because 10 plus 5 equals 15. So we're putting them in their place values. That means there's one 10 and 5 ones. Our next number is 37. 37 means we have 3 tens and 7 ones to make 37. Next up, we have the number 3. I see that we have 0 tens, but the number 3 represents 3 ones. If you have 3 ones, that means you have the number 3. Next is 62. That means you have 6 tens and 2 ones. 6 tens represents 60, and if you add 2 ones, that means you have 62. Next is the number 29. 29 means you have 2 tens and 9 ones. 2 tens and 9 ones. Next is the number 44, and that means there are 4 tens because we're counting by tens, and there's 4 10 sticks, so that represents the number 40. 10, 20, 30, and 40. And there's 4 ones, so that represents the number 44. Next is 56. How many 10 sticks do you think there are in 56? That's right, there are 5 because you're counting by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. And then we have 6 ones, and we add those together. That represents 56. So 5 tens and 6 ones. Next is 81. That means there's 8 10 sticks and 1 ones block. 8 10 sticks and 1 ones block represents 81. Next is 73. That means there's 7 10 sticks and 3 ones blocks. 73. What number do we have here? 5 10 sticks and 3 ones. What number does this represent? That's right, 53. What number does this represent? 1 10 stick and 6 ones blocks. Great job! That is 16. Nice work today.